The current paper is designed to review the existing nursing philosophies. I thoroughly describe the two theories that are consistent with my outlooks. I also enumerate the factors that majorly influence the overall development of the nursing philosophy. My thoughts concerning the concepts of the nursing meta-paradigm are also presented in the paper. The factors influencing the development of the personal nursing philosophy. The first and foremost factor influencing the development of nursing philosophy is accountability. This means that each person is accountable for the development of the individual knowledge base and its application within the framework of professional practice. A professional nurse should realize the necessity of controlling the environment and collaborating with other members of the staff. The second factor is compassion. The ability to be compassionate helps the nursing professionals to provide high-quality healthcare and take into consideration the individualities of their clients while showing them respect. The key supporting aspect of a compassionate nurse is the absence of division based on any socioeconomic or ethical considerations. The third factor is the level of professionalism of a nurse. This aspect of personal nursing philosophy takes into account the scope of nursing practice and its essential standards. Professionalism can also be defined as compliance with social policies and the code of ethics. Personal thoughts. Clients. I believe that nursing theories have a substantial impact on clients. First, it helps to build a connection between the nurse and the patient. Second, it helps the clients to be more confident in positive outcomes. Third, the clients will not be afraid to put their trust in nursing professionals. Environment. Overall, the environment is covertly contingent on the nursing philosophies applied at the healthcare facility. Most often, this happens because the quality of care depends on the employee's attitude toward the clients and working conditions. Therefore, applying an appropriate philosophy will positively affect the organization. Health. To my mind, it is evident that nursing philosophies are inextricably linked to health outcomes. This means that the application of a proper philosophy will help the nurses realize the scope of their practice. On a long-term scale, this aspect of the nursing meta-paradigm will serve as a pledge to cost-effective and positive healthcare. Nursing. Personal nursing philosophies have a critical impact on nursing professionals as well. First, they may help the nurses to develop a set of essential skills that are necessary to provide high-quality healthcare. Second, this will give the nurses the possibility to align their practice with the organizational objectives and the vision of the given healthcare facility. Nursing theories. The first theory that is compatible with my views is the interpersonal theory. It emphasizes the importance of the nurse-client relationship. This theory views the nurse as an individual that can develop in several directions simultaneously, including education, interpersonal interaction, and therapeutic practice. I prefer this theory over other entries because of its psychological directionality. The second theory is the novice-to-expert approach. I believe that this theory is one of the simplest existing nursing theories. According to this theory, nursing practice is divided into several levels that reflect the development of a nurse. The key postulate of this theory is that the nurse can become a professional without studying the theoretical basics of nursing. Therefore, the nurse's experience is considered to be the cornerstone of the nursing practice. Summary and conclusion. The importance of applying the correct theory to the nursing practice should not be overlooked. It impacts every sphere of professional nursing practice and is designed to help the nurse to provide high-quality care on a cost-effective basis. In this paper, I reviewed the key factors that influence the development of personal nursing philosophy, described in detail two of the theories that comply with my vision, and provided my thoughts on the subject. StudyCorgi.com has everything you need for successful studies. writing tools, informative articles, and essay samples. Come check it out!